All right, Michael. Obviously, for you, a very efficient 7 innings of baseball out there. What was the key for you personally today against Bowling Green?
Just relying on the defense, just throwing strikes and letting the defense do the work.
As a staff, this pitching staff has really improved its ERA, dropped a lot over the last month. What are you guys doing as a staff that's allowed you to have more success out there?
Once again, just relying on the defense. We've been focused on throwing strikes, getting our walks down, which we've cut down a lot, and that's just really been helping us out.
Pitching-wise today, what wasn't working for you? Was it fastball, location? You said the defense helped out, but from what you were throwing, what was really working for you?
It was really just mixing it up, keeping the hitters guessing, fastball, changeup, everything, mixing zones, inside out, just keeping them off balance.
How much confidence does this give you going forward? Because this is a pretty good Bowling Green team.
Yeah, I mean, every outing gives me confidence when I do well, and every outing when I see the defense play like that, it even gives me even more confidence.
Offensively, you guys have been scrapping together in the second half, a run here, a run there. When you see them put up a 7 spot in the 4th inning, how good is that to see as a pitcher?
That's awesome. I mean, that's what we were doing before the All-Star break. We came back, we were a little rusty, knocked the rust off today, and now we're getting going again.
Since the Tin Caps moved into this facility, they made the playoffs every year. That's 6 years in a row. Longest streak in the Midwest League. I don't know if Most talked to you about it, but when we talked to him at the break, he said, I'm not worried about making the playoffs. We're going to make a championship run. So how does winning a series like this help you guys at the beginning of the second half to have that motivation to not only make the playoffs, but do well in the playoffs?
I mean, it gets us rolling. It's always good to start off the second half strong, and we've been winning games, and that's what we need to do, and we definitely got a good team to make a run.
Anything else you'd like to add?
No, that's it. Thank you.